Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, and for the first time ever, we are going to go over my first 50K per month winning product. So for me, this is the product that actually got everything going, so buckle up guys, because in this video, not only am I going to reveal the product and store to you guys, I will also dive in deep on how the product was selected, my mindset at the time, and more. So before we dive in, let me quickly go over the analytics tab in Shopify and show you guys the results. So looking at the analytics dashboard, as you can see, the range is from May 1st to May 31st of 2020. And as you can see right here, you can see the total sales around $57,000. The session is around 63,000 session for the month. Again, if you refresh the page, as you can see, everything is the same. Also, if we look at the total orders, it's around 1,200 orders for the month. The average order value for the store at the time was around $47. If we change the date from May 2020 all the way to, let's pick May 1st to June 30th, 2020, and if we put apply, and as you guys could see, a total of around $101,000. And the total session for these 2 months was around 107,000 visitors. And the total orders for these 2 months pretty much doubled to 2,000 orders with an average order value of around $48. So now that you guys see that everything is real, I could refresh the page again. As you can see, the same results. So with that being said, let's move on. So before we dive in on how this product was selected, so let's quickly go over the 5 different criterias of a winning product. So that way you guys can fully understand the selection process behind this product. So me and my team, when we were looking at a potential winning product, the way we do things here is that we always evaluate each product based on these criterias. And these top 5 criterias are: number 1, is this product an evergreen product? Meaning, can people use this product all year long? Number 2, is it a problem-solving product? Number 3, is it a seasonal/trending product? Number 4, does it have a wow factor, or can it be considered a never-before-seen type product? Number 5, is it a wacky/viral product? So for example, a product in that category would be something like the fidget spinner. So based on these 5 criterias, and for the product to even be considered to move on to the testing phase, this specific product needs to match at least 2 of these criterias. Meaning, for example, this product needs to be a problem-solving product and also needs to be in season, for example. Another scenario would be that product needs to be an evergreen product with a huge wow factor as well. Again, it doesn't matter which one, but based on our criteria, we always make sure that the specific product that we're looking at match at least 2 of these 5 criterias. And the only exception to that rule is for number 5 products, because a wacky/viral product is pretty much a proving product selling on hype, and normally we just try to ride the wave as much as possible. So now that we've gone over the criterias, and now that we understand what we look for when picking a winning product, let's move on to something that all of you guys have been waiting for. Yes, the reveal of the winning product. And voila, this is it guys. My first 50K per month winning product was this. This is the 2-in-1 premium sauna vest and waist trainer. Yep. This is it guys, and now that you guys have seen the product, so now let's move on to something even more important on why this specific product was picked amongst other potential winners that I had at the time, and what was my mindset then. So this product was picked during the height of the pandemic in 2020, and during that time, with a lot of people being stuck at home, I saw a huge opportunity to help and solve a lot of people's problems. One of the biggest problems that almost everyone had at the time was that a lot of people were gaining weight and struggling with their diets, their workouts, and this product was the perfect solution to that. If we take a deeper look at this product based on the 5 criterias, we will see that it matches at least 2 of them like we've mentioned before. Because number 1, this product is a problem solver. It solved the weight and workout problem we just spoke about. Number 2, it's an evergreen product, meaning people can use it all year long. Number 3, it also have a wow factor, and we will talk more about the wow factor of the product when we go over the website. But before we do that, let's quickly take a look at the product inside the Shopify products section. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we are inside the Shopify products section for this product. This is the title right here. This is the brand name, and it reads 2-in-1 women's premium sauna vest and waist trainer. If we quickly scroll down, as you can see on the side, product organization type is activewear, custom type, it's a sauna vest. This is the rest of the the pictures, but of course soon enough I'm going to show you guys how this actually looks on the website. And with that being said, let's move on to the website. Okay guys, so this is the website. This is the home page. As you could see, this website was built using the Venture theme. As you could see, you could just use a free theme and you don't need to spend a lot of money on a fancy theme in order to make the money, guys. You just need to make sure that you put in the time and effort in order to make sure that your website looks good and professional. And if you guys want more tips on how to design your store to make it look professional and get more sales, make sure you check out this video at the right corner where I review a lot of you guys in random stores, where I point out all you guys need to do in order to have the best store possible. So looking at the home page, as you can see, I have the logo at the left corner. I also have the menu, the home, shop now, track your order, contact us page, FAQs. We have a drop down menu and a shop now button. If we click, as you can see, it's two different categories. There's a sauna vest category and also a waist trainer category. And if we scroll down, we have the header right now that reads 50% off plus free shipping, limited time only. And I also have a slideshow section over here. The first page is for the men. It says shop men. The second one, if we click, is for the women. It says shop women. You could click at the bottom over here to see all the products. If we keep scrolling down, we have two sections again. We have the women's section, women's sauna vest section, and we also have the men's sauna vest section. You could click to view all the products for the women, and you could click to see all the products for the men. And at the bottom, you have the footer, and with the footer, you have, the customer service. You have all the necessary links that you need. And also on the right, you could see I have customer service with the phone number and also the email. And also you could see all the payment processes at the bottom. So let's quickly take a look at the product page. Alright, so looking at the product page, as you can see, this is the main picture for the product. It shows a before and after. This is the product right here. This is the price. We're selling it for $44.95. If we keep scrolling down, we have the colors, only one color, black color. We have the different sizes, location. This is a customer location. I had two different suppliers. So if it was the United States, you'd pick the United States. And if it was an international customer, I had that option there. So automatically it would go to which supplier that needs to send the product. Keep scrolling down, you have the add to cart button, you have the buy now button with the PayPal, you have this upsell section right here. Again, as you guys could see, if you look at the website, this is what I mean. Like, you have to make sure you take the time. You see the logo matches the banner. The buttons, all the colors match. We have that black and blue color, which is consistent. Even the upsell has the black and blue color. You have the trust badges over here. And again, this section was really important. You guys might not have this possibility, but I can also do a video for you guys how you guys can have like fast shipping. But I was working with a supplier and I was getting really fast shipping from 4 to 13 days on average, but it was way faster than that. Keep scrolling down. This is a small description of the product. This is the wow factor for the product as well. The wow factor for the product is it makes you sweat 4 times more when you work out. Again, if we read the headline, it reads, make exercising at home or at the gym 4x more efficient. At home was the emphasis at the time because, again, during the pandemic, a lot of people were stuck at home. Also, if you want to keep using it when you get back to the gym, that's also pretty good. And I also have the add to cart button at the top over there. If we keep scrolling down, we have the benefits section. Again, burn 4 times more calorie without exercising more. And also make sure you guys are subscribe, and also make sure you guys like this video if you're enjoying it so far. Just a one little like, you guys don't know how much this helps our channel. And the reason why I'm saying you guys make sure you have subscribe and have your notification bell on, because in the pretty soon future I'm going to release a video when I dive in deep inside the ads, the Facebook/Meta campaigns, and also go into detail how I made the ads and all that. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on that, because I'm gonna be dropping serious gem in that video. So you definitely don't want to miss out. As you keep scrolling down, this is actually the size chart, and this right here, again, telling the customers if they're in the United States, make sure to pick United States, make sure the shipping goes as smooth as possible. Also just some additional notes and some additional pictures. And if you keep scrolling down, as you guys could see, all the reviews and stuff like that. You also have the frequently bought together section right here. This is the sauna vest plus a double compression waist trainer. Also guys, let's take a quick look at the tracking order section. As you can see, this is the tracking order section where the customer could just come in and put their tracking number and they could track. And also, if you guys want to know how to do this for free in just 2 minutes or less, so after this video you could just go to my channel and look for the free tracking video, or you could just click on this link on the right. So before we go guys, I just want to quickly go over the checkout process so you guys could see. Click checkout. And as you can see, this is my checkout. Again, guys, looking at the checkout, you could see the logo matches the button. Everything just matched, guys. This is very, very important. Just make sure you put the time in to make sure that your store looks really good. So this is it for the video, guys, and let me know in the comments if you guys have enjoyed this video, and also if you guys have any questions. As always, thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you in the next video.